Today is day 2 of the JEE exams for engineering, and lakhs of students are taking these exams after there were protests earlier, with many of the students asking for the exams to be postponed given that it was taking place in the time of a pandemic. Now, on the first day, there were complaints of lack of public transport and a struggle to reach the exam center. Safety was the other major concern, and lots of measures announced at the exam centers to ensure that there's no spread of the virus. As you can see, social distancing, students had to carry their own sanitizers as well, and everybody was given a mask. The JEE mains go on till the 6th of September, and while the NEET, that's the medical entrance test, will be held on the 13th. Well, let's go across to Sam Daniel, who joins us from outside the center there in Chennai. And Sam, so how was it on day 1? You've been speaking to students and parents, and today on day 2, what are the problems that they've been facing?
Gargi, in terms of numbers, we don't know what exactly is the attendance percentage. One major concern in Chennai is that the public transport resumed after 5 months only yesterday. And it's only skeletal services. Candidates coming from neighboring districts don't have a public transport facility available still. And they have to engage either a taxi or they should have their own car to be able to drive their children here. And that's the larger worry, whether this has made many either finding it difficult to come or perhaps they may have dropped out, but officially there are no numbers. But in terms of arrangements, good arrangements have been made. We have those flow markings here, making sure there is no overcrowding at these places. Candidates have been asked to come at staggered time so that the reporting doesn't get overcrowding. With me, someone who has brought his nephew, a friend's son, to drop here. How does the family look at this? Should the government have waited for the numbers to come down in Tamil Nadu or across the country, or is it okay to go for exams like this now?
It doesn't make any sense to wait further because there is uncertainty and we don't know when, otherwise this kids, this whole year will be wasted. When to do, what to do, until nobody has any certainty.
How did you come, sir?
I came by car, but and the arrangement is damn good. It is, they are maintaining the social distancing, whatever as per the norms, sanitizing, everything is very fine. And I think people are well prepared and they get enough time also to get the good preparation. So further to waiting until it is, they just get frustrating. Doesn't make any sense to further waiting.
A perception that only those who can afford their own car or who can pay for taxi can make it to places like this with no public transport available yet.
No, see, whoever able to do, let them do it. And further, actually, yearly there are 2 exams. Further in January also they can, whatever they was demanding like for further 2 months to further wait, that also doesn't make any sense. Right. You can make it, if you are not able to appear this, further do into January. Right. Instead demanding all those postponement and all, they would have asked, okay, they may get one more chance. Right. That would have far better.
Lastly, Chennai is still showing around 1200 numbers every day. Many urban cities show a spike now. Will this kind of a situation lead to more numbers now, more spike?
See, it is actually uncertain. Nobody can predict exactly. And one more this thing for the population in Chennai, daily speaking 1,000, it is almost nothing. During a whole pandemic, whole world when is suffering, it is not. I don't think it is a big thing.
Thank you so much for your time, and certainly divided opinions, Karki. But as far as the arrangements are concerned, people have no complaints. But the access and also question of whether this kind of situations could lead to more numbers in these places, whether this will lead to the spread of the virus, that's the main concern. But how many have dropped out? Have all who had downloaded the admit cards, have they all come here? That's something at the moment we're not able to confirm. There's no clarity, there's no official intimation on that yet.
All right, those numbers will perhaps emerge in a day or 2. But thanks so much, Sam, for joining us there. So as you can see, there is a divide. Many were against the exams going ahead and wanted them postponed, but many were in fact wanting the exams to take place.